Dude, tell me that's not ridiculous. Hi guys, Jason Lanier here, and this is a hands-on, honest review of the Smoke Ninja, the Bruce Lee of portable fog machines. I'm gonna tell you what I like about them, what I don't like about them, and whether or not I would recommend them for all of you out there. Smoke Ninja, you guys have seen these around all over the place. Comes in a case like this. And inside the case, you got Smoke Ninja. You have the juice, the cloud fog, which I think is like vegetable oil. You have the remote. You have USB charging cables and some accessories. Let's break this guy down a little bit. Here's the wand attachment right here. Here is the actuator button. This engages the fog, dry ice, or steam to come out. Here is the magnetic strip that you can place onto something metal. Here is the part that you can use with the tripod, C-stand, light stand. Power button, fog, dry ice, steam. To turn it on, click it 3 times, or to turn it off, it's the same. So I just turned it off. Now I'm going to turn it on. You charge with a USB-C, which is really convenient, and it charges pretty quick, and it lasts about 3 hours. I take the wand off here, and when we look at the insides of this part has a little latch here. Pull it up, and this is the magic juice. This is the vegetable oil. Okay, this is the canister, so it doesn't leak that I've ever experienced. When you travel, they do give you this orange little tip to put in there so you don't have any mishaps. To fill it up, take this off, and right here, peel this back. There's a little opening there. Take your vegetable oil and you fill her up, just like that. As I'm about to show you, you can really use fog for so many different things. Setting environment, adding a cool tone to your pictures. I'm here in Niagara Falls at an Airbnb in Canada, so I have a Tim Hortons cup that I'm gonna play with. I'm gonna pull a Diet Coke out of the fridge. I have a glass. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that you can do that's really cool with this thing. If you want to enhance the effects of all of this, you're gonna add a backlight. So let me just turn that on right now. We'll start with fog. So this is now steam. So steam seems to be kind of the weakest, and it doesn't linger as long. So it just depends on what you're looking for, right? And here we have dry ice, my favorite. See what I mean? This sucker this is, please no fire alarms. This attachment here, this wand attachment, this will help it to sit there and linger. Dude, tell me that's not ridiculous. Come on, that's pretty awesome, right? Check this out. Okay, so I wet the cup. I'm gonna use the wand attachment here to put some dry ice inside the cup. Just paint it across the table. Look at how it acts like a liquid in there. It's crazy. Come get your steaming hot Timmies or Tim Hortons or whatever the Canadians say. All you need is some Timbits. You know what that is, unless you're trying to watch your waistline. It literally looks like liquid in there. Looks like it came straight out of the freezer. Then I did a shoot. I rented a Camaro, took it into a rain studio, and then put rain all over the car. And then I had smoke ninjas inside of the cabin of the car and had smoke billowing out of the top. That has nothing to do with Halloween. It was badass. It was amazing. You can use the Smoke Ninja with this little remote. I'm not a huge fan of the remote, to be honest with you. It doesn't go very far, maybe 6-8 feet. Apparently there's a remote that can control multiple Smoke Ninjas, so you can have your own little Jackie Chan army. But if you want Chuck Norris over there and Bruce Lee over there, then you're gonna need the different remote. I haven't had a chance to play with that, so I don't know if it's any good. And if I can get my hands on it, I can let you guys know. It's supposed to be vegetable oil. Now I hope that's true. Now whether or not you can use vegetable oil like regular stuff that you buy, you know, in the grocery store, I don't know. I haven't gone through enough of it to need to purchase more, but I can tell you this will last you a really long time. I've been shooting with this thing non-stop for the past 2 weeks. I mean, I've used it at events where we're using two of the Smoke Ninjas, 2 of the Jackie Chans, and then sometimes Chuck Norris fills in. And we have been pushing these things for 3 hours, and that's about how long the batteries will last on these. It's really pretty crazy. The biggest benefit to the Smoke Ninja is that we can take our little Chuck Norris anywhere. It used to be, you know, if you guys watch my videos long enough, you know, I'm plugging in power inverters to car batteries to be able to power fog machines. And that sucks. I mean, they're big, they're bulky, they're not travel friendly. And, you know, this is pretty much the size of like my GoPro case to carry, you know, some of my GoPro accessories. So from that perspective, I really do like it. I've flown with it internationally and domestically with my luggage that I check. It's so light and easy to carry, I can't see myself not having one with me. If you guys like it as well, you guys can order off of the link that I'm gonna drop below. If you like this review and you think that the Smoke Ninja would work for you, you might as well save 10%. I think a lot of photographers and videographers, cinematographers, content creators could really use this as one of as a tool in their arsenal. I love you guys. I'm super grateful for you, and I hope you like this. And let me know if there's other stuff out there that you would like me to review, and if I can, I'll do it. So until next time, keep shooting, never give up on your dreams. Find the right gear that works for you, and remember, you only have one chance to get it right. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.